Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. I have a purchase from Hermes that I have been dying to share. I've had this for a while now. I just haven't had a chance to show you guys. Plus I wasn't in a rush to wear it because we are in, well, I got this in the spring, but it was hot here in the spring, believe it or not, so I wasn't going to wear this. But it's a ready-to-wear item. I didn't ask for a garment bag for this one just because Hermes garment bags are nice, but they're so heavy and thick, and it takes up so much like hanger space, and it's also like it's very weighty, so I'm like, I'm probably gonna put this in a drawer and not hang it up, so I don't need that. But so it's wrapped in tissue paper so that, you know, this was a kind of a surprise purchase. I had gone in, what did I go in for? I can't remember. I don't remember what I went in for. But anyway, my sales associate said, hey, like this piece came in, and you know, they're very popular. Let me know if you want to try it on. And I've seen it before, never got a chance to try it on. So it's a sweater, and I think people call this the Constance sweater, but so it's cream, and it has these detail in leather on the pockets, so this just goes in like that, right? So it's like a nice grandma cardigan, but like at first I didn't think anything much of it. I'm like, okay, it's just a cardigan, and then I felt it and I'm like, oh, this is so comfy. Now this came in black as well. They didn't have black. Oh gosh, I'm just gonna try to put this in, but I like cream as well, so winter whites are nice as well. There's a leather detail here as well. So let's put this on. And this, it's like a, you know, just like a cable knit sweater. And this is made out of 90% virgin wool. So this is just really soft. Like I have some wool pieces and they're just scratchy and very heavy, and this one, it just feels so nice on. So I'm just going to put this on first. You know, it's got like a collar. And so I'm going to lower you down. It's kind of a mess in here, sorry, because I was like filming a bunch of videos. But this is where it hits. It hits below the hip. And I can, what size is this? Hold on. 38. So it's oversized because I'm clearly not a French 38 right now. But this is oversized and it's stretchy. So that's it zipped up. Like so. If you wanted to, you could belt it if you really wanted to. Let's see. I don't have anything in gold, but I have a tube with gold, and this has silver hardware. But let's just imagine if I really did want to belt it. Let's see. Sort of. I guess you could. I don't know. I don't know if I would belt it. But I think just wearing, like, just throwing it on over a t-shirt and trousers is good. I'm just going to get this in. This little bit is a little annoying, I'll be honest with you. Like, who's going to be doing that and sliding it back in? I think these, you could, I don't know if I'll put anything in these pockets because usually I have pockets in my trousers. I tend not to wear trousers that don't have pockets because that would just annoy me. I have to put, like, my phone in there. But this is it. You can bring the collar down. Now, I wouldn't mind getting this in black either. Like, I did ask, you know, it looks like they will be bringing these back at some point again. I didn't see it on the website, but this is how it looks. The sleeves aren't too long. You know, you can roll them up. It's just easy to wear and just be snugly and warm. There's no double zipper, so you're not going to do this. But I think it's really cute and soft. It's more comfortable, if anything, to put on and lounge around the house. I don't know if I'll be doing lounging wearing a cream sweater with young children. I could. I would just have to dry clean this all the time. But you know, it is really comfortable. The only thing that I would be more cognizant of is pilling. You know, when you do this, depending on the wool, I hope that they've used longer fibers and not short fibers, because those tend to pill more, like small pieces, and or shed. Because I do have a cardigan coat from Hermes in wool, and it feels more heavy than this knit. Sorry, I think the light keeps changing. I don't know if I could bring this up, if that's better. I'll wait for it to adjust. Okay. And that sheds. So I don't know. And it's very heavy and it's too warm. This is lighter. I feel like the knit has more, it's not as dense, where it feels like super heavy, and you know, it's not breathable and light. Like, this is light and breathable, and I think the cream is so fresh. Like, you know, you have so many black sweaters, but this cream, it's not too yellow. It's like a perfect cream, very fresh, and you know, it's nice for like the winter, especially in February, when you know it's still really cold but the days get longer. And in February you're kind of like over the whole black dark colors of the winter. You're looking forward to spring. And that's like, February is like one of the coldest months, so this is really nice, and I see this as something, you know, when you're traveling to put on. So I'll just have this hanging around to just throw on, because I do want to get a lot of use out of this. Probably not right now, because it's really hot outside. Like, the temperature is like, worldwide it's hot, but like it does get hot in Toronto. Like, and it's humid and really hot, so cotton dress it is as it is. I do have another piece from Hermes that I will share with you, but I'll unbox that at another time, and I'll do another video for that. But this is super luxurious, and price point of this, so it's called oh, I had gone in to purchase a gift for one of my friends as a birthday gift. That's why I went in. This is called the Woman Outdoor Jacket. The Canadian price was $4,050. So not too bad for designer ready to wear. And I see this reselling online. Like I just looked it up, and I was trying to find it online on their website, but I couldn't. But then I saw resale sites selling this cardigan for like over $6,000 US dollars. I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that. And this is, the item code is H6E2228D3. And it's in color A3, Blanc Naturel. So the item code is here. That's the description. So if anybody's looking for this, it's just a really nice nice cardigan. And I will ask if it ever does come in black, even though I just said that I have too many black items, but I would like to add it because it is a nice piece. There's another piece that I would like to share, and I've already opened it because I wore it out of the boutique. So this is just the box, nothing too special, but there was an item on my wish list that I really, really liked, and it was just never in stock. And I'll show you. Maybe I should have showed it to you in the box, but it is the Kelly chain bracelet. I'm gonna put this on. I love how this has a functioning turn lock. And it's pretty easy to put on. Hold on. Sometimes I just gotta get it in there just right. I just said it's easy. There we go. But this, okay, so my thing with fine jewelry from Hermes is I want yellow gold. I don't want rose gold. I really don't like rose gold on my skin. I feel like it doesn't suit me. I know it's a very popular metal, but it just doesn't suit me, and I want yellow gold. I feel like it'll go with the rest of my jewelry, and I saw this piece and it was always available in rose gold, and then on the website one time I did see it was in yellow gold, but it looked like there was only like one size, like an extra small available. It seemed like something that they maybe had and then they were phasing out, but I had asked about it, and I was told, like, I think more than like a year ago, that this can be special ordered in the size large, because I need the biggest size for my wrist. So I was like, okay, like, let's see. And I was told, you know, hey, like, we'll try. Somebody else special ordered it and it's still not in, and it's been 2 years. So I was like, okay, so I had to pay for it up front. So I did that. And this was, yeah, no, this is last year, actually. This is last year. And like, I'm like, you know what, I do like it. It's a fine jewelry piece. It's great for your profile. You know, it's yellow gold. It's easy to put on, dainty. I can stack it. I genuinely do like it. And then, you know, it just never came in. And then when I went in that day, I had asked about it. I'm like, hey, like, you know, any word on this bracelet? And they took a look at their phone, and then they were like, hold on a second. So they changed the sizing category to small, medium, large recently. And before it was like size, what, 14, 15, 16, something like that, or ST, something like that. But anyway, they've changed the size coding, and they're all in stock online. So if you want to order this online, you can, but I would recommend buying it in store, not online, because I don't know if your online purchases count, but then they brought one out, and it was brand new, and it was my size. I tried it on. At first I thought might need to get it extended, because apparently you can have it extended slightly, I think a centimeter. But no, it fits just fine. It's not too loose, it's not too tight, very comfortable. If I really wanted to, I could put it on this hand. I just have to get used to it. I'm so used to doing things on this side. But I love it, and this is like a piece that, like, I know people are like, oh, buy Hermes fine jewelry, it's great for your profile, but there's like a lot of fine jewelry that I don't like. And at that price point, like, I'm not buying stuff just for the sake of buying it. Like, I actually have to really love it. And as compared to other bracelets from other design houses, price point wise for what you're getting, I felt that it was better priced, even though it's still outrageous because you're paying a designer markup, but better priced than other brands. And I think it's beautiful. I love how the diamonds sparkle on the clasp, right? So, and it's functional. This comes in a necklace version, but there's no functionally turn lock. You have to clip it in the back, and I wish they did that. But and then there's a lariat version, which you know, the chain extends down, and I thought maybe I could double that and wear it as a bracelet, but you can't. So yeah, for jewelry pieces, I'm quite picky, and if there is anything else that they don't have a lot of yellow gold in their selection, so I'm always sort of looking if there's anything that I truly like. White gold could be a consideration, but I don't know. I think the yellow gold pieces are special, and I really do like this one. So I don't foresee myself buying any major jewelry pieces now. I take my time with jewelry. I tend to be very picky because jewelry is something that I'll wear more often, like pretty much every day. So I really, really have to love it. And yeah, I saw this. I almost caved and bought this resale, and I'm glad I didn't. The resale price wasn't even that cheap though. I think it was like, maybe you were saving like $1,500, and it didn't, the discount, it didn't make sense to me. I'm like, then I might as well spend that at the boutique, right? Like, duh. So, and it was the same size. Like, this is when like it wasn't available, so I thought, okay, maybe it's discontinued. So I'm glad I didn't buy a resale. I'm glad that I just held out and waited, because I had the confidence that if it didn't come in for at least like it hasn't been 2 years, but if it didn't come in, then they said that, okay, no, you'll get your payment back. Like, so I'm happy it came in, and it is online. If somebody really wanted to order it, you can, but then just go to your store and ask them to order it for you. That would be the smart thing to do. But it is so pretty. Like, I can wear this day and night, and it's not too big, it's dainty, and it's comfortable. Like, I thought first these links would be a little bit uncomfortable, but they're not. And yeah, I just like looking at it, and it's so sparkly and nice. Okay, so that's it from Hermes for now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.